Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to English with Murtaza. In today's video we are going to study about a very important topic, that is contractions. Contractions are the shortened form of a word. किसी भी वर्ड की जो मुख्तसर शक्ल होती है उसको हम contractions कहते हैं. Contraction कहा जाता है उस वर्ड को, contractions. So contractions are very important for conversational English. And if you want to speak good English and if you want to understand the native speakers, then it is necessary that you must have a complete idea about the use of contractions. So in today's video, we will study about how to make contractions and how to use them in sentences. Okay, let's start. The topic is contractions. Contractions क्या होते हैं? Shortened form of words. वर्ड्स की मुख्तसर शक्ल को कंट्रैक्शन कहा जाता है. तो कंट्रैक्शन में हम क्या करते हैं, दो वर्ड्स को आपस में कंबाइन करके एक वर्ड बना देते हैं और इसको हम कहते हैं कंट्रैक्शन. कंट्रैक्शन इसको हम कहते हैं. लुक एट द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, डज नॉट. डज नॉट. सो यू मस्ट रिपीट विद मी फॉर द सेक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. डज नॉट का जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म होता है वो होता है डजंट. डजंट. ही डजंट कम हियर. ही डजंट राइट गुड इंग्लिश. ही डजंट. डज नॉट का कंट्रैक्शन क्या होता है? डजंट. डजंट. यू मस्ट कीप इन माइंड, ये बात भी आप ध्यान में रखें कि जब नेटिव स्पीकर्स बोलते हैं तो वो इस टी को प्रोनाउंस नहीं करते, इसको ड्रॉप कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, He doesn't take breakfast. He doesn't take breakfast. He doesn't take breakfast. तो टी का हमने यहाँ इस्तेमाल नहीं किया. Okay, next word is did not. Okay, first of all look at do not. Do not की जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म होती है that is don't. Don't. इसको टी के बगैर पढ़ेंगे तो हम क्या कहेंगे? Don't. I don't know. I don't know. They don't know. अगर आपने टी को ड्रॉप करना है तो फिर आप क्या बोलोगे? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Where is he? I don't know. Don't. Don't. Okay. Next is didn't. Did not. तो did not का जो contraction होता है that is didn't. 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 ओके, इसको अगर सेंटेंस बनाएंगे तो हम ऐसे बनाएंगे, ही डिडंट कम हेयर यस्टरडे. ही डिडंट. ही डिडंट. ही डिडंट मीट मी यस्टरडे. ही डिडंट. तो इसका अगर टी को ड्रॉप करके पढ़ेंगे तो हम क्या कैसे इसको प्रोनाउंस करेंगे? ही डिडंट मीट मी यस्टरडे. ही डिडंट मीट मी यस्टरडे. तो यू मस्ट कीप इन माइंड कि डिडंट के बाद या डिड नॉट के बाद हम हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगाते हैं. आफ्टर डिडंट और डिडंट वी ऑलवेज यूज फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज नॉट. और इज नॉट की जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म होती है, कंट्रैक्शन होता है, वो होता है इजंट. इजंट या हम इसको इजन बोलते हैं. ही इजंट कमिंग हेयर. वो यहां नहीं आ रहा है. ही इजंट कमिंग हेयर. और वी कैन से ही इजन कमिंग हेयर. ही इजंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज आर नॉट. तो इसका जो कंट्रैक्शन होता है वो होता है आंट. आंट. आर इज साइलेंट हेयर. They aren't going there. They aren't waiting for me. They are not waiting for me. Or they aren't waiting for me. Next word is has not. Hasn't. Hasn't. How to pronounce contraction of has not? Hasn't. He hasn't done his work. He hasn't taken tea. He hasn't taken tea. Okay, next word is have not. Haven't. We haven't waited for them. We haven't completed our task. We haven't completed our task. So how to pronounce this word? Haven't. Okay, next is had not. And the contraction of had not is hadn't. ठीक हो गया? They hadn't come here. They hadn't come here. Hadn't. Okay, look, another word. Will not. और will not की जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म होती है, कंट्रैक्शन होता है, वो होता है won't. How to pronounce this word? Won't. I will not go there, or you can say I won't go there. I won't go there. They won't go there. They will not go there, or you can say they won't go there. Next word is shall not, and the short form of shall not is shan't. Okay, practice with me. Shan't. We shall not take tea. We shan't take tea. We shan't take tea. Okay, should not, shouldn't. Should not का contraction क्या होता है जी? Pronounce with me. Shouldn't. You shouldn't go there. You shouldn't sit here. You shouldn't. We shouldn't. They shouldn't. Or they shouldn't. अगर आपको ठीक को pronounce नहीं करना, तो you can also say you shouldn't sit here. You shouldn't, or you shouldn't. Okay, next word is could not, couldn't. Okay, how to pronounce this? Couldn't. I couldn't do it. They couldn't complete their work. They couldn't. Okay, would not, wouldn't. I wouldn't love to go there. I would not love to go there. I wouldn't love to go there. I wouldn't call him. I wouldn't like to call him. I would not call him, or you can say I wouldn't call him. Must not. Okay, it's a little bit difficult to pronounce. Mustn't. You mustn't wait for me. You mustn't do bad work. You mustn't. May not. And the contraction of may not is mayn't. It may not rain today, or you can say it mayn't rain today. Mayn't. Okay, the last word is need not. And the contraction of need not is needn't. You needn't go there. You needn't wait for me. तुम्हें मेरा इंतजार करने की जरूरत नहीं. You needn't wait for me. So this is all about contractions. Now I'm going to conclude. Contractions जो है, they are very important. ये word की short form होते हैं, और जो native speakers हैं, they always use contractions whenever they speak. अगर आपको native speakers को understand करना है, अच्छी English बोलना है, then it is necessary to have a clear idea about the contractions. So these were the negative contractions, and after this I'll make another video. In this video we will study about other forms of contractions. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz, take care.